need to stop here ba? I think you have to wait and that they call you.
Uh-oh.
When they call you that forward, then you forward.
Very excited.
Look at those mosquitoes outside, but they're huge. See? Those are not bees, but those are mosquitoes. Yeah. Those are mosquitoes.
There's humans there in the beach.
He's calling you. We're taking the barge.
In a quarter mile, continue straight onto Dempster Highway, Northwest Territories 8 North.
To take us across. Right behind the Ramba. After the truck. Alright, we're on the barge. And we're going to cross the river with our truck. We're moving.